From the edge to the core, Moxa has a solution for you. Today we're going to talk about an edge technology. This edge technology is called PoE, or Power over Ethernet. It's a relatively simple technology, but allows you a lot of flexibility in your applications. The idea behind it is that simply you're putting power and data on the Ethernet cable itself. It allows you to power devices out there without a power supply. We have a very simple device here on the edge of the network. This is a power injector. We take the PD, or power device, the device that will be accepting the power, from the PSE, which is the power supply equipment, and it's really quite simple. You plug it in to the PoE Ethernet port, and you plug it into the injector itself. Now the injector is a very simple device in that you put a standard Ethernet cable in here with just data, and then it spits out data and power over the Ethernet cable, allowing you to power the device itself. As you can see, the lights have come on this device, and it's now booting. Pretty simple, right? The next device we have is a unmanaged switch. This is also considered a PSE device. It provides power. So we need another PD device to power. Here's another access point. And again, really quite simple. You plug into the PoE port on the access point, and then plug into the PoE switch itself. As you can see, the lights have powered on here, and the device is booting up. So again, some of the benefits here are really simple. You don't have to have a power supply now next to your end device, which can be very beneficial if it's in a remote location or where there's just no power outlet to be had. And then we move to the most advanced device here as it relates to an edge device and PoE. And this is the managed PoE switch. Again, really simple. Take your advanced access point. This one happens to be a dual radio access point. Plug in the PoE port, and then simply plug it into one of the PoE ports on the PSE device. And again, if everything's gone well, you'll see lights on the unit itself, and it will begin to boot. So PoE is a pretty interesting technology. It does have its standards, and there are some pitfalls you have to watch out for. PoE, it means power over Ethernet, but not everybody adheres to the standards. There are two standards that are current today in 802.3AF and 802.3AT technology. The AF technology is the older technology that's been around for quite some time now. It's very proven. And the AT is the newer technology. The differences between the technologies really pretty simple. The AF technology is about 15 watts for the end device allowed, so you can power up to 15 watts. And the AT technology allows up to 30 watts. So some good amount of power out there on the edge of the network that's available. So moving on to our last PoE device here that Moxa has. It's a very specialized train device. And this is a very specialized outdoor rugged access point that takes power over Ethernet. So this is a PSE device, and this is a PD device. You simply plug in the port, and as you can see, it should be powering up right now. We have status lights. This device is powering this device here, and you've made a solid connection. So that pretty much wraps up PoE edge type technology for Moxa. I hope you've enjoyed this seminar. Thank you.